Some conjugation practice with the imparfait. So first of all, let's review the 3 steps to forming the imparfait. So we always begin with the present tense new form. That's where we're going to find our stem. Once we have the present tense new form and we're sure that it's correct, if you don't remember the present tense new form, you really should be studying it, but please make sure that you look it up. Then all we have to do to find the stem is drop the ONS. Whatever you have left will be the stem. From there, all we have to do is add the appropriate ending. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, AIENT. None of these endings will ever change based on any of the verbs. It does not matter if it's an ER verb, an IR verb, an RE verb, an irregular verb. They all take the exact same endings. Remember that être is our only irregular stem in the imparfait because there is no ONS on nous sommes to be dropped. So we're going to use A, E accent aigu, T. Whenever we add on our endings, then the T ends up getting pronounced été, for example. So questions 1 and 2. Just practice conjugating the imparfait for the following verbs. So how would we use elle and perdre to say she lost? Or how would we say vous and avoir for you had? All right, listening. The imparfait can be very difficult to hear because it's extremely close in pronunciation to a lot of the present tense verbs. So let's practice with that. I'm going to read 2 verbs. Is each verb I say in the présent or in the imparfait? All you have to do is write présent or imparfait on the line. So number 3, we'll have je fêtais. Je fêtais. Numéro 4, nous écrivions. Nous écrivions. And then finally, number 5, we're going to do our very first sentence translation. So, when we are translating sentences, we have 2 questions to ask ourselves. Should we use the passé composé or the imparfait? And then how do you conjugate the verb for that tense? So we're going to translate the sentence, usually I did theater. So there are a couple of different translations for usually. In this case, let's just use en général. Okay, so en général, I did theater. Are you going to use the passé composé or the imparfait? And then how are we going to conjugate that verb to complete this sentence en français?